Using a Wealthfront Roth IRA for estate planning is a great way to ensure that your assets are transferred to your loved ones in a tax-efficient manner. To start, you need to understand the basics of a Roth IRA and how it works. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account that allows you to contribute after tax dollars, which can then grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. The first step in using a Wealthfront Roth IRA for estate planning is to open an account and fund it with contributions. You can contribute up to a certain amount each year, and the money will grow over time. Wealthfront offers a range of investment options, including index funds and ETFs, that can help your money grow. Once you have a Wealthfront Roth IRA, you can name beneficiaries to inherit the account when you pass away. This is an important step, as it ensures that the account will be transferred to your loved ones without having to go through probate. You can name primary and secondary beneficiaries, and you can also name multiple beneficiaries to receive a percentage of the account. It is also important to consider the tax implications of inheriting a Roth IRA. Beneficiaries will not have to pay income tax on the withdrawals, but they will have to take required minimum distributions each year. This means that they will have to withdraw a certain amount of money from the account each year, based on their life expectancy. To minimize taxes and ensure that your beneficiaries receive the most benefit from your Wealthfront Roth IRA, you should consider converting your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. This will require you to pay taxes on the conversion, but it will allow your beneficiaries to withdraw the money tax-free. In addition to naming beneficiaries and considering tax implications, you should also review and update your Wealthfront Roth IRA account regularly. This will ensure that your beneficiaries and investment options are up to date, and that your account is growing in a way that aligns with your estate planning goals. Overall, using a Wealthfront Roth IRA for estate planning is a great way to ensure that your assets are transferred to your loved ones in a tax-efficient manner. By following these steps and considering the tax implications, you can create a comprehensive estate plan that meets your needs and provides for your beneficiaries. It is always recommended to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure that you are making the most of your Wealthfront Roth IRA for estate planning.